What are my people? Welcome once again. Welcome to today's edition on FOREX Talk. And today's I will be dealing with how exactly you can come out from drawdowns. You know, if you have been having drawdowns on your profile or personal account, or you intend to flip an account, you've already flipped it up and then you just had a sudden drawdowns and unable to lift yourself up. I will be giving you some tips, just 2 to 3, 4 tips that will definitely help you out and solve this solution right away for you. Let's go into this. Alright, welcome back. Just like I said earlier, I'll be helping you out on how to fix and how to solve any issues about drawdowns, how you can come out of drawdowns, and of course, if you can listen to this video till the end, you would never have drawdown again. And if you have drawdown, you would not be moved or shaking or feel anything, because these tips will definitely help you to come out of drawdown, and of course help you in passing profiles, in flipping account like crazy. Alright, together let's go into it. Now, if you are in any type of drawdown, whether you're trading a profile account, you're on drawdowns, or you have your own personal fund account that you're funded, perhaps you funded $5,000, you're already on drawdowns of about 1,000 or less than 1,000 or $500. You know, it's just crazy. It's almost blown already. You know, your emotions will be everywhere. Your psychology would never balance anymore. You know, everything would not be in place anymore, and what would just be coming to your head, what would you just wanted to do is just how can I bring this money? I just want my money back. Right now, I'm no longer interested in making profit anymore. You know, you will keep, I do not want to make profit anymore. You know, imagine someone funding $5,000 and you've lost it to $500. It's crazy. I'll be giving you a solution how you can come out from this. Don't worry, guys. Just listen to this video to the end. You'll definitely be able to solve that question. Okay, so let's go into it. So if it's either your deposit, your funding account, or your account you deposit to flip, or you're either trading a profit, someone may be coming for a profit person, or you're trading a profit and you're about to blow the account off. You're trading a profit and about to blow the account off. This is your solution. Listen up to this video till the end so you don't get to blow that account. Good. Now, the first thing you need to do is this. If you are on a massive drawdown, any kind of drawdown, first thing you should do, number one, do not revenge. Calm yourself down. Do not chase the market. Neither should you look to revenge. Let me just at least. Don't even try to, because the market does not even care about you. They don't even know you. It does not even send your daddy, your pop. It doesn't even send any fucking of about you. Do you get? So the market is unclear about you and doesn't even care about you. So do not try to revenge against the market. I want to take a revenge. Vengeance. Yeah. Do not try such, please. Do not try such, because the more you try such, you will be emotionally unstable. Your emotional will be unstable, and once you're emotionally stable in the market, you are prone to losses. That is it. Because the game of the market is a game of psychology and having your emotions being balanced, not just being emotionally unstable and then being balanced. How you win. That's how profitable traders win. They don't put their emotion into place. They don't put their emotion into motion. You don't the emotion to drive you. Once the emotion is to drive you and place you into motion, you will definitely get astray. So do not let the emotions get over you. Do not let the emotions put you into motion or into place, whereby you begin to let me chase the money. Just see a buy. I said it's a buy. You follow it. You say, don't try such. Or you trying to suspend some of your conferences that are being met in the market. You just wanted to make the money, but you will definitely do the worst to that account, and you will end up blowing it off. Please do not do that. Do not chase the market. Neither should you revenge that I need to make this market back. Revenge, do not. Please do not. Number one. Now you ask me, Mr. Sam, then what should I do, please? What should I do? Tell me, what should I do? How should I come out from this drawdown? How do I come out from this drawdown? Perfectly well. Good. How you can come out from this drawdown is, number one, after you choose not to revenge and chase the market, number one is look out for a high probable setup. Am I talking to somebody? Look out for a high probable setup. One, that setup, that is not just that alone. That ivory setup must be a setup you have indulged with before, must be a setup you have traded with before that has given you money. You know, there's some setup that you know, if I trade this, so I will make money. You know, if it is head and shoulder pattern, if it is head and double bottom, double top, any chart pattern that you are familiar with, that you know, supply and demand, anyone that you are so much confident about, that you know so well, and you have traded them before once or sometimes ago, and you definitely catch out from it, and you are definitely see result from it. That is the setup you should sit down to trade. Look for it. Just come and set that. If it will take you to look for it in 1 week, in some days, in 2 weeks, don't bother yourself. Do not kill yourself about it. Market will keep printing same things over and over time. You may not see it in that particular pair, you may see it in another pair. So go and look for it in that another pair. Maybe in the NZD, this one, JPY, JPY, AUD, anyone, it might be USD card. Just go and look for it in somewhere else pair. Then you know that this is setup I am so confident about, and I know that if I see this setup and whenever I carry setup I used to win. You should know that's a setup that you know that you actually win. This one I used to win in this kind of setup. You get, so that is what you should go back and look for a high probable setup to take. One. Secondly, this setup must be able to give you what I call at least 1 to 2. But I would prefer, since you're a drawdown, just look for 1 to 3. Am I talking? I probably set up with 1 to 3, at least 1 to 3 upward. If you cannot see 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2 is okay, it's not bad. But I will suggest, since you are in drawdown, 1 to 3, because that will bounce you up and give you profit, or either bounce you up into breakable or bounce you to something else. So just look for something, or at least 1 to 3 upwards. You know, this high probable setup can give you at least 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, something like that. So it will be able to bounce you up at a point, at a glance. Once you pick it up and it's coming to your direction, it moves, pam, 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 bam. You cool with that? You get me? Am I talking to someone? So that's exactly what you should do. So that high probable setup should be able to give you at least 1 to 3, 4, 5, or 6 with our ratio, risk reward ratio. With that, you would either break even or break into massive profit or break into crazy profit for that account. It's either you are nearing the such account or you are breaking into that account. And what will make you to near that account is this. The third one is this: what? Maintain the risks you took while you lost those accounts. For example, you lost $10,000 and you are risking 20%. I don't know, is it personal account? So maintain that 20%. Don't that, if it's that account you are, you use that 20%. Because that 20% with high probability setup is that 20%. That loss size you use it. With that high probability setup, with that risk management of 1 to 3, it will definitely bounce you back. Am I talking to someone? You tell me what? It will definitely bounce. This is what I have practiced over and over time, and it has worked for me, and I believe it will definitely work for you as well. Am I talking to someone? So if this definitely is what you're struggling with, this is a solution for you. So you should You risk the same amount, the same percentage you have been risking that brought you into that loss, that brought you into that drawdown, into that low mode. Now, with such amount again on your trade with high probable setup, with at least 1 to 3 risk or 4, 5, or 6 risk reward ratio. Am I talking to someone? If you take you 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to find it, I don't care, please find it and wait for it. Once you wait for it, you have a proper entry, candlestick information and everything. Don't forget, I also tell you about candlestick information, entry signal about confirmation. You don't jump into a trade. You must look for your entry signal, confirmation. Candlestick must confirm to you, must speak to you. I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to buy. It must tell you. You must communicate something to you that I'm ready to buy. You must change the structure. That this is a buy structure now, we can go for it. This is a sell, we can opt in now. You must communicate a language to you. That's the language you will interpret, and then you enter and you knock it. Am I talking to somebody? So that's exactly what you will do. Okay, if you don't know how that, or if you don't know how to enter such, and you're just watching this video, I want to urge you right now to click into this description and join our community so you can learn some of these things for free. Am I talking to someone? So that's exactly what you should do. And also the last one, The last one is this. The last one is this. You should, after the first one is what? Let me count. The first one is what? You should never chase or revenge against the market. Don't try to chase it or revenge against the market. You will lose all. You end up losing everything. Second one is what? Look for a high probable setup, crazy one that can bounce you back with at least 2 to 3 risks. What the third one is, the risk must be at least 2 to 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 with an high probable setup. Why? The last one is the last one is okay. Probable setup. This word, and the last one is your risk management. Yeah, the risk management. The last one is your risk management. Ensure that this trade has a good risk management for you. For me, average, I tell people that averagely for a day trader, risk management for a day trader is about 20 to 20 something percent. For swing, it might be more. So then, because you are in drawdown, look for those such trade that can give you a good risk management. That has a good. You always see it. It will take time, but you always. But if it doesn't give you that risk management, for fact, it's surely giving you that risk reward ratio, and it's high probability setup, you are good to go with such trades. You know, you make your money by, even though you are risking 25 pips or 20 pips or 80 pips, you know it's a times 3 or times 4 or times 7 of it. I might talk to somebody, so that may not really be cogent or significant as it may be. So that is what I want to inform. I want to communicate out there, because people reach out to me, Sam, Mr. Sam, how do I come up with drawdown? You know, I've been having this issue over and over time. You know, this is why I am doing these videos for you guys. So I believe this has been helpful, and you gain 1 or 2 things. If you do, please kindly like and follow us and subscribe to this channel. Help us, and of course, do us a good by subscribing to this channel, and then assist and then help this channel to grow as far as we can. Don't forget to always leave your question. If you have any question about this or anything around trading that you think you are not clear about, any of me or my team will definitely reply to you. Any of our team will reply and respond to your question. And do not forget, I should tell you guys that if you need a template for the one I talked about, you can drop it on the comment section. We will send it to your email as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and team. Thanks for the love. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always sticking by. Good, and have a wonderful good week. Thank you so much, guys, once again, and peace out. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your week, enjoy everything. Enjoy. Make sure you're killing the market. Make sure you're killing the market, guys. Thank you so much once again, everybody, and bye for now. Good day.